Sonnie Badu, a Ghanaian pastor and gospel artist based in the U.S., has opened up about the lack of support he received from his gospel music colleagues following a domestic incident he had in December 2023. The singer had to have a surgical procedure done after he tripped on the stairs leading from the garden to the metal railings in his house while doing some cleaning and watering. Even though he was not completely healed, Sonnie Badu, with his condition, managed to perform at his Rhythms of Africa concert in Accra on December 9. This led individuals to speculate on social platforms that his injury was not serious and simply fabricated to promote his Rhythms of Africa performance. Looking back on what happened, the Rock Hill Chapel founder expressed sadness about how he was treated by other gospel singers during his difficult situation. He mentioned that none of the gospel musicians had bothered to check on him and see how he was doing. Not even a single one checked up on me. When I realized that not even a single gospel artist colleague or pastor would check up on me, that's when I said even if I died, nobody cares, I have to rise up quickly, he stated in a recent interview with Joy Prime. He claimed he would have attempted to look out for others if the circumstances had been changed. Personally, if I heard that somebody had gone through something or seen it, I would have been calling. I don't care whether I'm cool with you or not. But not even one person did, Sonnie Badu stated. However, he was prompt in mentioning that some pastors like Nigerian pastor Jerry Ease, Prophet Ajimang Prempe of Ultimate Charismatic Center, Apostle Amoako Atta of the Lord's Parliament Chapel International, and Pastor Kingsley, demonstrated their love by contacting him through various social media platforms. He mentioned that the injury worsened on the day of the concert, but he pushed through the pain and gave his best performance. The musician expresses gratitude to God for his mercy and healing grace, mentioning that the fall was first headed towards his head but then changed direction towards his leg, which could have been fatal.